am I using Claude at work to be more productive? The first powerful Claude use case for my business is that if, let's say, I'm about to go for the meetings, presentations, I turned off my meeting summaries or text documents into the Claude and I asked the Claude to turn it into a presentation for me. So now you can actually tell the Claude what kind of designs that you like, and these are my meeting summaries, and this is the only prompt that I gave. So what Claude is essentially going to do is that it's going to take some time reading the PowerPoint skill in a Claude in order to turn that into a super nice PowerPoint. And I'm just about to show you guys in a short while. So following of what I requested, this is the PowerPoint slides that you're able to download or open in Google Drive that is being produced based on the meetings that I gave. Like, it is super professional. It helps a lot in terms of the presentation. So this is a use case number one. The second usage that I'm using Claude in my business is that I used to study and analyze a lot of data. And last time I was using like pivot table in Excel. And if I have like few different Excel database, I have to create few different pivot tables, and trying to combine all these pivot tables to analyze would be a tough job. But then right now, what I need to do is just I throw the data to Claude. There are two choices that you can make. It's either that you can upload your Excel and let Claude to do all the analysis for you, but then sometimes your data becomes so big, like it is you don't want to burn the token. And here's a shortcut I did. Based on the Excel table that I did, I created a pivot table from the Excel, and I only gave Claude the pivot table data. I gave them like 5 or 6 pivot data for them to analyze the entire context and build a dashboard for me. This helped me a lot because it actually helped me to make a lot of decisions. Like, for example, if you were to increase price for the product, you are going to estimate a drop in the quantity, and you want to see a simulations in terms of cash flow or simulation in terms of the drops or the increase of the revenue, and you want them to see in one dashboard. So Claude can analyze and ask really tough questions for you pretty much very easily. You can have all these different pivot table, throw to Claude, have it build a dashboard for you, and you want to analyze and ask questions between this pivot table. What are relationships? This helps me a lot in terms of making business decisions. Third use case, as an entrepreneur, another thing that you can use Claude is actually coaching yourself. Also, this is brand new for me. I just tested like 2 weeks, and of course, these are the fake coaching sessions. I just want to give you guys to imagine how to use this. Like, imagine that you have a lot on your plates, and sometimes you just need to seek for clarity as an entrepreneur or to analyze the situations, right? So now I'm using a fake data. So what you can do is that you can actually journal with your Claude, like talk to Claude like what happens personally, business wise, and let Claude to ask you some hard questions to seek for some clarity and directions and analyze the entire situation for you moving forward. So I I absolutely love this, and I actually saw someone else do it. Like, they just talk to the Claude or ChatGPT on a weekly basis to do like a journaling to see the patterns of their thoughts, right? And I realized that, hey, this is game changer, and why not I actually do that as well? But obviously, because all this information are very much personal, I am not comfortable in sharing as well, and I'm not comfortable in putting in the Claude as well. So what I did is that I put these coaching sessions into like the Claude code via the VS Code. So if let's say you want to know how am I doing it right, you can actually check out my another video which I input in the comment section down below, where I talk about how to use Claude in coaching yourself. So if let's say you haven't seen that yet, so in the comment section means I have not uploaded that yet. Okay, so please be check it out again when give us some time, like 2 to 3 weeks time. Okay, so with that going, if let's say you've been enjoying this Claude video, feel free to let me know. And I want to show you another cool tip as an entrepreneur as well as a heavy Claude user. I'm using this whisper flow in order to kind of like uh, put out my thoughts easily. So instead of like typing to wipe coding or like typing to the cloud, you can either use this speaker functions in order to speak to the cloud. But if let's say you are working on some of the software, it may not work as well, right? So that's why I'm using this whisper flow as I press on my keyboard and start speaking. So this whisper flow will actually take in my thoughts and help me to organize the information. Like, for example, point one, this is my to-do list. Point two, I need to do YouTube. Point three, I need to post Facebook post. Let's see how it works. So this software is going to turn your thoughts into a very structured format, and it is very useful when you're writing emails. It works in any software. I'm using it to do like white coding very easily via the Claude Code in the VS Studio, and I absolutely love this. If let's say you guys are interested, you can check it out on my affiliates referral link down below. It's absolutely for free. I'm still at my pro version. They provided like 2 weeks free trial, and it actually saved me a lot of time. Okay, and if let's say you'll be enjoying this video, feel free to comment down below and like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive more videos about AI and Claude usage as well. And if you have been using Facebook in order to generate leads and clients, you want to turn your Facebook CRM, you want to turn your Facebook into a CRM that works so that you can label who are your clients and what are the follow-up notes, what are the reminders related to these particular clients in Facebook. You do not want to miss out this software that I'm having. I'm putting a link right here. And yes, if let's say you're interested, let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next video then. Take care. Bye bye.